If we have not met, my name is Madison. I'm going to be your favorite e-com superhero because I put out videos like this with low-key genius tips to help your store crack 6 figures this year. So like I said, in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you a simple strategy that will take you under 30 minutes to implement, and we'll see a drastic return on your ad spend and on your conversion rate. And when it works, come back to this video and let me know how successful you were. So we talk about ads and Facebook ads and how you can actually help those to grow your store. But let's face it. There is something that we all hate doing because it's not fun. It's not sexy. I'm talking about retargeting ads. We all love putting out content and getting link clicks and that Shopify ding, but we don't like putting in the work to create the retargeting ads. And that's why I'm going to give you a simple strategy. I call it objection busters. What are objection busters? Well, objections are simply anything that comes up in between the person having interest in your product and them not buying. So maybe it is they don't know about your return policy, they don't know if their credit card's going to be safe, they don't know when it's going to arrive. Let's face it, even Amazon's 2-day shipping, when it was not 2-day shipping over the holidays, we all got a little upset by it. So those are all common objections. So I like to handle these or bust these with response reels. What are response reels? Well, we have all seen people on TikTok and Instagram respond to comments in video. We're basically doing the same thing. So if you have those people who have already made comments that are objections, you can use them. Otherwise, you can ask your friends and family to post them. So I like to group these in terms of store, product, and customer. So let's take the example of delivery time. Here's a great one you can use. Hey Jane, thank you for your interest in our candles. We actually make them here in Oregon by hand. We have several in stock, so you don't have to worry about waiting for us to make them. If you actually put in your order by 2 p.m. today, we'll get that on a FedEx truck tonight. So it'll be headed right to you really quick. And if you want free shipping, then use this code FAST10 and we will give you free shipping and 10% off on your next product. So I can't wait for you to try them. You're gonna love these candles and let us know what you think. Super simple, easy, right? The other thing is we can maybe have like a customer objection is they don't know the blouse is gonna fit. You say, hey Sally, thank you for your interest in our blouses. Our sizes are very generous. We have plus sizes. We also have a easy return policy. So if it doesn't fit, you don't like it, you just send it right back to us and we'll gladly send you another one or a refund, right? So once we have about 5 to 10 of these objections that we have batched, we're gonna go to our Facebook Ads Manager and we're gonna actually set these up as a reach campaign. We want this to be just to show one ad every day for 7 days. So we're gonna ideally have 7 different ads. You can go with 5 and you can do it once for every 5 days. And now we wanna show this to people who have come to our store but did not buy. And now that we have this as a reach campaign, the cost is going to be much lower than if we ran this again as another conversion campaign. Because we're gonna have a much smaller audience, that conversion campaign would be wicked expensive. So we group all the people who come to our store but didn't buy, and now we show them objections, these objections for the next 7 days. And we watch them get busted, every single one of those objections. So it's as simple as that. You can probably come up with 24 different objections. If not, go with quality of the product, how fast it ships, your return policy, if your credit card processor is secure. Anybody using Shopify, that's an easy one to do. Return policy, there are lots of options. If you sit down and think about it, you probably can come up with several. Also, just go to a different Shopify store, a different store, and think of the objections that you have when buying somebody else's product. Those are probably the same objections that people have for yours. So if you want my 3-step process to how to do this, this is one of the steps, it's the last step, then drop me a line down below and I will send you a swipe file that walks you through how to implement this step by step. So I can't wait to see you on the next video.